What is hash rate? The computing power of a proof of work, POW, cryptocurrency network is measured by the hash rate. A blockchain network's health, security, and mining difficulty are assessed using its hash rate. A hash is a randomly produced alphanumeric code, and guessing it is known as hashing, or as close to it as possible. The amount of guesses made by computers on the network are counted, and the hash rate indicates how many guesses are made per second over the entire network. Understanding hash rates, the amount of guesses each computer makes per second to solve the hash on a blockchain network is used to measure hash rates. This is a crucial step in the proof of work, POW, network's crypto mining process. This is how it works. A hashing algorithm used by a blockchain network creates hash codes at random. On the blockchain network, mining computers compete to determine the hash value. The hash rate on the blockchain network is a measurement of how many guesses are made each second. When a miner predicts a value that is lower than or equal to the target hash's numerical value, the hash is considered solved. The successful miner can include the following block to the network and receive cryptocurrency rewards, known as block rewards. The hash rate of a blockchain network increases with the number of computers that connect to it and process hashes, guesses, on the network. How to measure the quantity of hashes, or guesses, performed on a blockchain network each second is known as the hash rate. The hash rate increases with the size of the blockchain network. Hash rate is often measured in terahashes, or 1 trillion hashes per second, because there are typically hundreds, or thousands, of computers making millions of guesses every second. For instance, the hash rate of the Bitcoin network is expressed in terahashes per second. Kilohashes per second, 1000 per second, megahashes per second, 1 million per second, or gigahashes per second, 1 billion per second, may be used to monitor smaller networks. Why it's important? Hash rate is crucial as a gauge of a blockchain network's overall security and the level of difficulty at which miners must work to acquire block rewards. A malicious assault on the network is less likely to happen the more miners there are in a blockchain network competing to mine blocks. The difficulty of mining a particular blockchain is also influenced by hash rate. As the hash rate rises, some blockchains make mining blocks more challenging. This implies that it may be practically hard for lone miners to compete in crypto networks with extremely high hash rates. Bitcoin hash rate. As of October 2022, the hash rate on the Bitcoin network was approximately 240 million terahashes per second, THS. The network first reached a hash rate of 1 THS in May 2011, and since then, it has risen every year. Thanks for watching.